You're coming here into the corner chat. Okay, everything should be fine. Test. Just test. Nice, nice. Everything should be fine and dandy. Okay, but the songs are absolute dog shit. Hold on. Or not like there won't be any good, but I hope at least something better. Yes, not this. This no. Sure, whatever. Okay, I needed less. Yeah, that seems fine. Well, again, hello everybody. I almost wanted to say my name is Markiplier, but that's not true. Anyway, today, again, once again, I'll play MVMVS, my own project. I was not working on the project, so it would be the old same. It is because I was working on a video. Hi, Upton Games. Seems you finally caught my stream and you can play with me. Hold on, I'll have to help. Is it? Yes, Recon. I wanna change level to Big Rock. Is it Big Rock? I hope it's Big Rock. I'll try. I wanna play Big Rock today because I don't know if you like it. Oh, okay. That it seems it was not the wills of heaven just to play, to give us the ability to play together. Do I want to play? Yeah, this should be fine. Whoa, whoa. Okay, I'll just check something again. Yeah, it seems fine. I hope the server will be better. But yeah, I hope. Ronin, Big Shot or Trollger? I will play. I'll try Trollger. I mean, Big Shot. Oh, and okay, the lag is really bad. Let's hope it's not gonna be that. Anyway, if you don't mind me asking, why are you unable to play on your PC? Are you like not home or something? Did I take you by surprise, if you could say that? Okay, Pyro, you could take some of the money. Oh my god, the lags. Okay, the lag spike is really bad, really bad. Do I want to try and fix it? I'll have to try and fix it. Oh, come on. Alright, it seems to stabilize a little bit. Let's hope my PC will try and keep it together more than just... I don't know. It doesn't seem it want to. It seems my internet doesn't wanna keep it together today. But it's always like that. It's always like that. But again, it's shame that we can't play, you know. I was hoping that... Yeah, I can play buff. Can you buff the NG chant? That it sucks. Well... I don't know. I don't think the NG Gen subclass is weak, actually. I buffed it, but it was like... I don't know, weak. yeah, it was almost a week that I buffed it, and I think it's pretty in a good spot right now. So, damn the sound of that heavies. Come on, random crit. Come on, random crit. Oh no, no, don't. Not pink, I want a random crit. I want random crit, please, God. Anyway, yeah. I just did. Again, I think Inji is actually in really good place right now on all of his subclasses, you know. I'm not sure if I should buff it. Oh my god. But the lag is actually horrible. Oh no. I'm sure Scott will figure it out. Two people don't have the ability to reach their PC. What happened? Did some EC apocalypse happened and all of them exploded like the WWE War or WWE War bro? Also, did your brother explode it, or do you just not have the ability, but yeah, the ability to play right now? That's amazing. That's incredible. But yeah, I know I said that I'll stream yesterday, like I said it. I get it, of course. No problem. I'm gonna stream again, you know, like day after tomorrow. I mostly stream every second day because I don't think my psyche could handle the absolute amount of bullshittery I have to deal with every stream. Like right now, I think Twitch is good, YouTube is good, so the server of the TF2 server is absolute dog shit. Yeah, I should also test robot. It looks it's fine. I hope it's fine, but I don't wanna really believe it. So, oh no, the lag! Please, bro. Send me the hopes and prayers, guys, so my internet can be better. Yeah, the SMG incident really destroyed my psyche. So yeah, I would appreciate, you know, every second day to have at least some kind of you know, day off. So I'm taking every day I'm taking a day off, and the day after that I'm taking stream day. So yeah. Oh damn, that's but it's also that the stream was 4 hours long, so I'm not really surprised that I was breaking at that point. The SMG really did me dirty. Oh no. Pyro down. Please, come on, just let me have some good ping. Come on. No, I don't want lags. I don't want lags. Please. Mr. Oh my god, Mr. Internet, please. Oh, 800. I don't know whose fault the absolute dog shit internet it is, but I hope it's gonna be fine. Sooner than later. Make the big shot, one giant rocket. It's cosmetic, like, you know, it's purely cosmetic, so I don't think I need to. And yeah, I know it's big shot, it would be, I don't know if funnier, but more accurate if it was a giant rocket instead of 4. But I don't know, it's the actual robots that this subclass is designed after have the 4 shot as well, so I'll keep it for now. Damn. Don't hit me. Oh no, the jet, no, the ping is absolute dog poo poo, dog water. Please! Ping me, don't fail me now. How much health? Yeah, he has a few. Whoa! Whoa! No! Oh no! The pink. I'm gonna die to a pink. I hate that. I hate that with my... all of my absolute life. I hate it. Yeah, Pyro. Yeah, Pyro. You just fucking saved the day, bro. No ammo. That's not that's not good. No. Yes, finally. Come on, Pyro, help me. God, help us. Nice. I don't know how we are holding up. I don't know how it is possible. I don't know how all of this is possible, guys. I'm shitting my pants. Like, I'm literally dying inside. Oh no, the Uber bots. Come on. How long is the Uber? Tie. Okay. Nice. Oh, the money. Guys, bots, what are you doing? What are you doing? Are you doing, guys? Help me! I'm literally dying. The scouts. No! Yes! Thank you, Wolf. Thank you, Gaben. Thank you, Gaben. I'm gonna thank you for the rest of my life. Oh, yes. Thank you, Gaben, for the random crit. I'm actually not sure because I have custom bots that work, but I don't know if NG works. I'm not sure about that. If he does, it's... Oh, I should go banner. Should I? Should I go banner? Or... something more damage focused. Yeah, I'm not... Yeah, I'm not really surprised. As I said, I do know that... Oh, no. Why does it not... Why does it only fucking shoot for me? Not... Anyway, yeah, I know that it's the only one which actually works. Because Engineer was added in later updates of TF2. And, like, the enemy Engineer was added in later MVM updates. So the actual bot... like yours bot, the red bot, uses the AI logic of the enemy robot. That's why he looks like he works. He doesn't actually work. He doesn't go for the objectives and such, but it's better than nothing, actually. No. What? No, he has Uber. Yes, Uber. I shot all of my fucking round because... Come on! Yes, Scout survived because the second he turns around, I'm dead. Oh, that's... Yeah, again, he's just a stupid bot in the end. Oh, die! That's not good. I need the stickies right now, bro. Thank you. Die, you stupid pyro. Yes, nice. The keys. Gonna hold up good. Nice. That's why the dual class is absolutely goated class, you know? Because, wow, it's the only one which can turn the tides like this. But yeah, right now I failed. I absolutely failed in getting the the grenades back, and yeah, I'm not really in a good spot. Oh no, oh no, please. Okay, no, please don't shoot. Nice. Grenades. Use the keys. Make a fucking dispenser. Yeah, again, as I said, I think he just does the basic MVM stuff, so he's not. I'm even surprised he made a entry teleport. I was like, why can't I go there? There was a fucking spy, and he stabbed me. Come on, die! No! Fucking spies! And I'm stuck. I thought you know, for some quite time, the stuck problem just disappeared and it appeared again. Did he really just deflected those? Wow, okay. Oh no, don't do this. Don't do this, man. I hate this bug. I should fix it, but I worked on other things and I didn't have the time. Don't shoot it. Now you can shoot it. Nice. Bro, where is the sniper? Fuck you, sniper. Fuck you so much. What? What? That doesn't hit him. Come on. I'm gonna kill him. Giant demo. Yeah, I would love to make a demo. I would absolutely love to make a demo, but I don't know what. I don't have any ideas for a giant demo, you know? Like, I use the rapid fire mechanic for this one and demo night for the normal one, so I'm kind of out of ideas, you know? Fuck me. I'm not happy. But again, I'm not sure what should I make as a giant, because if I made another rapid fire giant demo man or a double donking giant demo man, it does. Don't. Bro, no. And why don't I have the? I'm not happy. Bottle man. But why did it give me? Oh, LD. On him. That would be good. Hold on, I have to pick. I don't want to go, but the demo man was just really good, but I don't want to go him again. All right, I can get him on. Hold on, what did I want to do? Do I want to go Cryomancer? I don't think I want to. I think I want to go something long range, something that's actually good. Demo, the heavy doesn't sound too bad. Inji not as much. Hold on. Sorry. The moonwalk B. What? I'm kinda lost from what you mean. Damn, there are so many people in here. Okay. I'll try maybe. I can use the way right now, but I don't want. I'll try. What do I want to do? Oh, engineer? No, I'll go to heavy. I'm sure the heavy will be the thing. Oh yeah, I should. Where is the notepad? Heavy? No, heavy. Broken snapshot. Gives subclasses the wrong classes. Moon, but I'm kind of lost if you're moonwalking here, brother. But Battleman, use moonwalk or what? Again, I'm kind of lost with you here, brother. Items or actions, audio. Bindery? No. Oh, it's 5. Yeah, I would love to make some. Oh no, that's not good. Alright, wait, hold on. I can use off the damage. Moonman tech is underrated. I don't know what is Moonman, brother. I'm not sure what is the Moonman, and I am not sure if I wanna actually know, because it sounds really, really weird. Is it like a subclass or something? Hold on. Oh, did. Oh no. Oh no. Nice. One. Okay, nice. That went well. I think this class is absolutely broken when you actually have some upgrades on it. Yes! I threw them off the cliff. That's absolutely insane, and I love that. Shoot me! I need some. Oh no. Too much heavies. Oh no, charge expired. Oh no. Run! Run, heavy, run! It's a flock man melter for a degree. Yeah, but I don't know. I don't. Third degree is OP. Everybody knows that. Or OP. It's straight up alternative. Everybody knows that. But Flog is OP as well, and Man Melter is he's not that good. Man Melter isn't that good, and the combo Scorch Shot is just better. It's absolute, you know, absolutely unfair combo, but yeah. I think Flog is just absolute. Flog with Scorch Shot is absolutely the best. Oh no, I need some speed. Okay, and I need to run away. Like it, Moonman pack is underrated. It's flock, man motor, free degree. I don't know. I really don't see the demo. I know it's OP, but I mean, I know that it's fucking wrong to use it, but it's OP. It's just OP. You can't deny me that fact. That it's absolutely OP, and everybody that want to play this game, you know, statistically best, should play Scorch Shot. I know it's anti-fun, but whenever I have a fucking worst day and I wanna not make people suffer, but I wanna enjoy the game, I use the Scorch Shot sometimes with Flock. Or Detonator. Detonator is the when I still have the brain cells to actually use it. But whenever I start playing Pyro, it's most of the time after the fact that I don't want to use the brain cells to actually think about what I'm doing. No, hold on. No, he just made exit. Oh my god, I should do something about that, but whatever. Anyways, I wanna make, yeah. Voice. Yeah. I wanna make voice chat so I can talk to people actually. Yeah. Oh, I wanna damage for sure. What? It has 3 amounts of... Okay, that's an interesting thing. I don't know that. Anyway. I don't know when. Yeah, I heard that a lot from Pyro players. Okay, the ping is actually getting insane. Anyway, I would love to do something. Okay, so if you're... That's interesting. Anyway, I would love to... Yeah, the voice menu. What's the... Use voice communication, yeah, bind... But what's the... Mouse 5? Okay, sure, let's go with that. Yeah, nice, the voice communication works. So whenever I don't have the time to actually type, I can use my voice communication if I have the actual... closed captions, is it? No, I think. Voice? Test. Nice. Apply, cancel. Yeah, okay, sure. But if you are NG main, you don't like things like Rescue Ranger or Wrangler or Pistol or any other gun like that. Because I think I play Engineer, have good stuff. Ah, thank you, Stalin. Grad Heavy. But why do you not show in the... What? Why are you not showing on the... On the chat? That's... What? Yeah, I show... Wow. Gunslinger, okay, that's an interesting... But still, you have to use some kind of secondary and... like, main gun, so... primary gun, so yeah. Okay, damn, I just threw that giant like, across the... Oh no, I didn't want to do that. That was not my intention. Fuck. That was not my intention at all. I should make the charging a little more... Nice, okay. Again, would you play as like the main gun, the primary? Do you not use stock shotgun and Wrangler? See, and Wrangler is, you know, mostly used as a long range alternative because pistol can't really be used, you know. You have to still aim for, literally you have to aim for targets that are outside of your range. Oh no, I need to get some damage while also not dying. That would be incredible. Okay, let's kill this scout. Hold on, I'm dying. Fuck. I don't use any like plugins. This is a, you know, source mode with advertisements. That's all. Yeah, this like custom classes are not plugin. Can you hear me? Can you understand me? Oh. Oh no.
Well done. Now get to an upgrade station. I'm giving you a bonus.
Okay, I'll talk in voice. I don't wanna type my fingers off. Again, it's not bad in attack. Make UI look good. What? Do you mean like this UI, or what do you mean make UI good? That's a little, you know, unspecific. Do you like mean this, or what? The menu? Do you mean the menu? UI good. Or do you mean like the loadout you just described makes the UI good, or I'm not sure. I'm kind of, you know, confused about your but again, man, like the giants or the subclasses, everything is vscript based, not plugin based. And it's my own creation. It's not made by anyone, it's made by me and managed by me. So I'm not sure how he could help me if he has a server and is a source mod as a plugin. Like, he could give me at least some advice, but I don't know what else. How good of a, you know, not coder, how good of coder or manager or whatever he does on the server. This is a really good song, but I don't know why the YouTube targets it as a like a copyrighted music. Wow, well, I'm not sure if I would like to play with somebody like that. Or create something.
Mango is under attack. 5, 4, 3.
Buy and weapon ability. I'm I'm not sure how well versed you are in programming or vscript generally, but it's not good. I can't do that. I would love to. If I could, I would love to do that, but it's not as easy as you think it is. Again, if I could, like, do it like, what was it called? The, what is it called? The Sexton Hell, yeah, like the Sexton Hell vscript has so much people behind it, like actual people who make models, actual people who made UI, and even that is not actually, you know, made, it is not functioning. All of it is as close as it could be. It's not as actually as easy as it seems. If I could, I would do it, you know, normally like GUI or something like that. CS2 actually added this thing that you can do it. I would do it that way. But no, I can use mostly only text and nothing else. It's a shame, and I would love to do it again, as I said, but it's not possible. At least for, let's say, myself alone. If I had like, what are you stuck on? I'm like stuck on, I'm not sure, between making the giants TF2 bots and making them like base bosses or like custom AI, you know. Because if I make TF2 bots, they will take up player slots, which can do some bad things to the overall AI of MVM bots. Or I can make custom, but custom AI is mostly broken or not really it. I would like to show it to you, but the testing build is not made on the server, so I will have to make a custom game like at my PC and not the server. So yeah, the main problem is I can't really make the giants because AI is either limited in player slots or by the amount of how I program it. And my programming is really broken, or it's just not the insane amount as people may think. You know, I'm still single developer on this entire project, and it's not as easy as people can think it is. With the limited amount of documentation on TF2 vscript. And I don't think source mod would improve it not too much. And no, I don't think source mod would do much for me anyway. Oh, it's hard to say something in a chat, like in voice. And it's actually really hard to say something. AI is not the way. AI is good. It is good. You know, if I have done like if I have done some part of the coding, like let's say making a subclass, then it can copy that and use it and connect it and do the basic stuff. But making a whole another AI, or you know, it doesn't really help with not enough documentation. It doesn't help because the vscript is faulty by its own. It's just TF2 limitation, not my programming or not the actual AI problem. So neither AI can help. And of course, some of the AI that actually could help cost $50. Yeah, I would fucking love it if the game had better coding. The CS2 just got an update like day ago, which gave a whole ability to make GUIs and the actual menu and UIs or whatever, Valve should do it. Yeah, you're right. Valve should fucking do it, but they don't do shit because they're lazy and want to TF2 dead or something. I don't know. I'm really angry at Valve. Valve really fucked us over with this one. And I wanna see this. I have almost 3,000 if I close my eyes. I have almost 3,000, which samurai is okay. So I think I'm gonna buy a samurai, I hope. Nice. Oh, good. Again, like, bro, I sank 500 hours into this, and you see in what, let's say, state it is right now. For solo developer to make entire code about a, custom AI for the bots, or I don't really know how to get bypassed, the actual problem of the amount of player slots are limited. So yeah, I'm not sure if I can make that. The balancing issues and other things are entire problem of its own, so yeah. Whenever I make subclass, I get two things. If I actually can make it, and the main problem if it can be balanced. So I'm not even sure if it can be balanced. Like, it's nice to have an engineer a giant, or like engineer to make a giant, but it doesn't really help the gameplay side because it's just bots playing for you. Like, it's not enjoyable for me to have a bot pyro that demolishes tanks that plays, a part that players should play. So I'm not even sure if gameplay wise it is good to make the engineer creating robots. The giant spy that converts enemies to your side actually does make a sense. It's easy to code, and even though you are making enemies fight for you, it's still at least somehow enjoyable because you have the sapper, you have melee weapon, and you still need to shoot them to actually convert them. Making a giant that fights for you is not as enjoyable as I think it would be. Yeah, I know what you mean, like extra slots, but let's say I'm thinking into the future. Of course, I could make not a script. I could make it that it's a TF2 bot, and that it doesn't take up a lot of the slots. But the main problem is because even if, let's say, I limited to one giant soldier that you could make, and the engineer made the one giant soldier, that would be, and let's say all 6 players would play it, it's like 12 slots that takes up just by bots or players. And then, you have the telepathy, which changes enemies to your side, and then you have a whole other, problems of then MVM bots not spawning. And even if like you said, I would make extra room, it would be another requirement for people to actually do before being able to play this vscript. Right now, if you want to play this, you can either join my, you can join this server, or if you really want, you can just join my Discord and copy the vscript, and you can play it by yourself. You don't have to download any modules, you don't have to do anything like setup or no bullshit. You just click, like copy, paste, and then you play it however you want. So yeah, I'm not sure if making another requirement for people to increase their max player size, because technically if I made it, I could make it that players or I can make like max 100 player slot server. I don't have a problem. But it's problem for other people who would want to use my vscript, you know. It's more of a make it either user friendly or make it easy for you. That's what I would want to say. Again, I could do anything. I could do it as a plugin for source mod, but would you actually want to download a source mod? A player like you don't have a you know, game, you can't really play it by, you know, you don't really have a computer to, let's say, make server. Would you like to modify your entire game to add the source mod just to play this just to play this? Yeah, it's either make it easy for the users or make it easy for yourself, and I would rather make it as easy to be playable as I could. So if it actually gets somehow popular, I'm not really sure if it does any day, you know. It's still struggling, it's still, you know, early progress, so I don't want to give, you know, give myself a lot of hope, but I still, if it gets popular and if people would want to play this, I would rather to be like the play with upgrades maps rather than having being an actual source mod plugin than vscript. Or hold on, I'm really getting focused. So yeah. Oh no, the ping is dying. I'm dying again. So yeah, again, it's daily life struggle of a creator. But again, if I could, I would make it as, you know, as best as I could. But yeah, it's just, I don't think it's just possible. Oh, I'm sad. Damn, somebody joined against the potato. Yeah, it's not. Yeah, it's just as you say. I would rather make it as a plugin, but as a vscript, because nobody can, you know, say I want to play potato and download it. No, but you can say, yeah, I want to play this MVMVS, and just, you know, click on workshop and click download, and you can actually download it. Like the versus Sexton Hale. My biggest inspiration is versus Sexton Hale. So people can actually... Oh my god. Okay, the lags are getting really bad. But again, as I said, I would like to have it as a versus Sexton Hale, so more of a broad people can actually play it. Oh, sorry, I'm really out of breath, you know. I got in a heated argument with myself. And I left the game. That's amazing. SM, Recon... I want Rottenburg. I would like to play the Wave 666, but hold on. Yeah, I've changed level. Rotten. I would like to play the Wave 666 in the Ghost Town, but first of all, for some reason, my actual internet is dog shit today. And second of all, I don't think I'll be able to do that. But either way, if I could make it, if you know the popular YouTuber Let, if you know him, yeah, really cool guy. I think he makes really cool content, you know, and the only thing that I really would say bad against him is that all of his projects are made in source mode. So, you know, it doesn't get, it's not as popular as it was on release, and he just abandons it. You know, he says, oh, well, it's beyond, you know, public recognition, and he, you know, lets the project go to waste. Which I'm really angry about, because some of the projects I would like to play by myself or with some of my friends, but it's not just accessible. Because even the plugins, even if I had the ability to use source mode, the plugins are not available to, you know, people. Or if they are available, they're source mod still, so I still have to create the server. It's still a hassle. It's still not the easy transformation of clicking workshop map and going in the jam, or not even workshop map. You can just download it from somewhere, pop it into your come on, into your vscript folder and just play it on any map with any, you know, because it's not tied to a map. That's what I don't like again, Sexton Hale, or I think it was better, it got better, but you can't play every map with it, or at least not the base that he made. So that's kind of bad, but yeah, you can... Oh my god, sorry, I'm getting absolutely demolished. Oh, what? Okay, I'm missing every shot. But yeah, again, I would love to if it was more accessible to people. So the lad would make most of his projects more accessible to people. Because it's just waste that a lot of cool projects are getting left in the dirt because people don't wanna manage it anymore. Which is also why I started to stream, because I know that if I figured out how to make source. Well, I don't want to be like, you know, how to say, disrespectful, but I think it takes a lot more than knowing, you know, source mod. And I don't know if it would help the project at all, because even if, again, as I said, it's all TF2, you know, it's all TF2. So no matter what, if the TF2 doesn't support like the custom UI or anything like that, I don't think I can make it better. No matter how hard I try. That's just the facts. No, come on. I missed that. No, his hitbox is totally broken. No, I forgot that his hitbox. Yeah, the MVM should... I hope if the MVM update ever comes out, I hope they fix the hitboxes, because they are fucking broken and I hate it. Oh, yeah, what should I play, guys? What should I play? I'll go Pyro. The napalm isn't that bad. I think it was the random poop said it, that he doesn't like the napalm, which, like, in damage, I guess, I'm not that much, you know, of an expert, and I don't think, yeah, the damage kind of falls off, but in actual, you know, design-wise, I think it's really good. Oh, somebody joins. Somebody actually joined, and I'm kinda surprised. Nope. Joined and left. Joined and left. Wow. Okay. Yeah, I don't even know why people just join the game if they're gonna leave anyway, so... Yeah, but on my next big... I don't know if it's project, but my next big thing that I wanna do is custom not custom weapons. The ability to use any weapons you want. So right now I'm playing, you know, the normal flamethrower, and it's just set by default by the subclass. But on some of the you know, subclasses, I would allow that you could use custom weapons that you wanna equip. And if you have equipped like Backburner, you would instead spawn with this subclass, but you would have Backburner instead of a normal flamethrower. Same for, like, let's say, Scout that uses normal scattergun. You could use like the Force of Nature instead. It would be really cool, and I think it would add another layer of customizability for people who don't want to play, you know. Or right now I have an axe, melee that I wouldn't use even if you got me dead. So yeah, I know that I would not use it, but let's say I would have the ability to take custom weapon, and I would be able to take extinguisher, and then maybe I would be able to take actual weapons like maybe the battery. I don't know what's the name of the batteries taped on a stick. It's, hold on, power jack. Yeah, the power jack. If you, oh come on, nice. The power jack. Let's say you have the power jack and you equip it, you get it instead of the axe. Again, it sounds way better. Yep. As you say, as you say. Amen, brother. I could go only pyro round. I'm not against that. I actually like the subclasses for pyro. Also, I didn't work on the project at all the last few days, but instead I made a video, and it's fucking long. It's like 21 minutes long, and I hope at least it has some recognition. So first of all, to make it, you know, more accessible for people, because it's a guide to scout for MVMVS, or guide. It's more of a tier list, but I hope it's gonna be working as a guide as well, because I added some tips and tricks for it. So yeah, I hope it's gonna go well. So it wasn't a waste to make like 4 days of work a video just to be absolutely dog shit. But we'll see. If it goes, you know, like few viewers, I'll just stream, because streaming actually, it's more fun for me. It's not as bad as making videos. Yeah, that's true. I'm gonna do, if the scout video is going to turn out, you know, good on YouTube, I'm gonna go like complete guide. I'll make, you know, the soldier, pyro, etc, until I'll have all of the classes, and then I'll make a giant compilation. But I don't want to make a giant compilation as the first video, because if it's gonna go flop and it will be bad, then then it would have been a waste of time. Kind of. Again, I made a short guide so people can at least know how to do things, but I think the new menu actually solved most of the problems, because, you know, the normal hitbox or cursor, what it uses now, is actually way better than the last cursor it used, or you had to use the E button. But that kind of came up with the experience, so yeah. Oh my god. I hope it at least forces the soldier to use the Uber. Does it? Does it not? Yeah, it did. At this first. Come on. No! Go in the hole! And you too. Go! Nice. Makes things easier for me. Nice. Again, I think this is a okay subclass, or at least I think even if this is one of the better ones, you know. I'm not sure if it's, you know, actually a greatest, in the world, but I think it's really good. Yeah, it's yeah, I like this menu a lot because you can actually hold on, 1700, yeah. Yeah, because it's more usable for people. I know it, but I just didn't have the experience back then to actually make it possible, you know. Zero damage, yeah.
Here they come.
Yeah, with the R method or E method, many people, even my close friends, to which I had the ability to explain it to them, you know, using voice lines or like actual voice, not voice lines, an actual voice, had problems of, you know, actually adapting. So I thought something was wrong, and yeah, this is much better approach, and I think more people could actually understand it. Which is again kind of a shame that a lot less people are actually interested in this project than I would have hoped. Again, I'm not like saying I'm a fucking Picasso and I made an amazing project and I'm actually really, why does nobody care? But yeah, I made like 20 streams and I would say there are like 5 actual people who are interested in this project a lot, and who would actually, you know, who actually spend a lot of time on this server. So yeah, I'm surprised that there aren't at least, you know, like 10. I hope at least for 10 people, you know, for the amount of streaming I'm doing. So yeah, but I'm happy as always that at least have somebody to chat with, you know, to be able to share this experience and all of my pain in creating the project. So yeah, can't complain too much. The worst thing is I don't have a job right now in real life, so the second I actually have some, I'll, you know, I won't have the actual time to do streams or actually make anything for the project, and I'm scared of that, you know. Nice. Because I love this. This is my passion and I love this project and all of you community as a whole. So I would be really sad if I would not be able to do it anymore. Because of the constraint of a job. That's why I hope it would gain more recognition, so I could gain at least some monetization from it. Again, not like I'm an extreme sellout and I would only want the money, but at least enough money to actually sustain me to be able to sustain this project. Which I'm sure somebody like you doesn't really care. It's either I flop and I don't have the time to make it, so you're gonna forget this project as a whole and go play another thing in TF2, or, you know, be able to support me at least by staying on the streams and such. So yeah, I'm sure you're doing your best, guys, and I'm happy at least for that. Nice. Damn, my actual voice hurts. My throat hurts from all the talking, you know. But that's the main problem of a stream, that after a long day of streaming, my voice actually starts to hurt a lot. And my brain as well, because I'm still thinking of what I'm saying, you know. The English isn't the best that I use, because it's still not my main language. So every day I can't use it. I only use it for like 3 or 4 hours a day. So yeah, it's bad in some of the ways. Yeah, I don't think the movement penalty really works on the tanks, which... Yeah, I would love it if it did, actually. Nice. What the damage is nice. Nice. The damage is nice when you explode the target and you get all the damage shown on your screen. It's absolutely hilarious. Oh, but it's not hilarious to have... Yeah, I'm happy. I'm happy that... I hope this project and me as a whole won't be forgotten, at least. So people can, you know, remind me that I should work on this project. But again, I'm not able to be sure 100% that I will be able to continue this project for my entire life, or at least for its good while. Again, the most sad thing about, you know, making YouTube is that I see that on the stream there are 3 people. There are 3 watching people, but none of them are saying a word. This is actually depressing, because I don't know, it would be nice to actually have them say at least hello, hi, this stream looks awesome. I know I say it every day. I know I'm sounding like a broken record, but it's really disappointing that you are giving your best on your stream and, you know, the 3 people that should be in your stream don't say a word. That's why people like you, who actually, you know, talk to me in the chat, are the only thing that keeps me going, you know. Even if I had all the money in the world, I don't think I would be able to stream if nobody said a word in the streaming chat. I would be like, I don't know, it would be like streaming for a bot. Bang. Nice. Yeah, I love this class. I should buff it. I am sure that it needs a buff. It really needs a buff in damage. But yeah, again, the video should come out today. Maybe tomorrow, I don't know, but it should come out. And I tackled the issue of... Hold on. I tackled the issue of the damage of most of the scouts are... The entirety of scout subclasses is actually broken. I don't know, they were my first creation, the scouts. I started off a scout, and all of them are horrendous. They're bad. I don't like them at all. They are just really sad. The giant, the hemorrhage giant, and one other class is kind of good, but yeah, the rest actually sucks, and I'm sad about it, because I think it can be better. If I had the time, if I had the infinite amount of time, I would work on my project and then just, you know, release it. But if I never release it, I will never get a feedback. I will never, you know, improve. If I never made a stream, I would leave the menu as it is, which was a really bad idea. And oh, nice! I just survived the backstab. I love that on the giants. Oh come on, the Uber. I'll make some subclass that can go through Uber, because the Uber bots are the most annoying little piece of shits that I ever saw. Oh no, oh, it killed one. It killed one, but not the other. And it just deals damage. I love it. I love this class. Again, this is the most simplest class that deals simple damage and is really simple. You know, you can just mesh M1 And it's fun because even though it's M1, you can still, you know, look how the ball goes, if it goes upright, if it goes straight forward, if it goes any way, you know. So you can go either shoot below you to deal more damage on close, or shoot forward to deal more of a, you know, quick damage from the splash, from explosion. Okay, I should fix the... Oh, come on! Medics. The Uber medics are actually killing me, guys. No, hold on. Nice. No problem. I can stay here. That's good for the Giants. They won't be able to do anything either way, so I can just stay here. I always have the, you know, I want to go back, you know, kill myself and go back to spawn. But it doesn't really help. Don't say it's not a fucking Uber. Oh, I killed him. Nice. But it's a Uber medic. Again. Nice. Love that. Love when my Uber medic... Amazing. I will get rid of all Uber medics. I'll fucking code anything to just get rid of the Uber medics. Because they're the most annoying thing. Yeah, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Huh? Fucking... Trash bot, you know? Actual fucking trash. But anyway, Upton Gamer, how did you get into the playing of MVM? Because you said that you were, you know, more of a generic user or generic player. You weren't such a try hard or anything, you know. But not many, you know, new people, or not even like a little bit, let's say, well versed in TF2 actually want to play MVM. You know, there is a guy that is a newbie, not newbie. Again, he has like 200 hours, but for TF2 people, it's a newbie, you know? And he actually doesn't want to play that much. I never found a lot of people that are newer that want to play MVM, because they always want to go for the casual or competitive more. And when they actually get bored of the playing basic, you know, game modes, that's the second they'll go onto MVM. Oh my god, that's something on my mouse. But again, I think I will be ending the stream today a little bit early, like the mission, because I think I'll try, you know, releasing the video today. Oh, nice. See, and that's how you style as the pyro. Feels the Spies. That's an interesting name. Greed is good. A bonus. I think the music is actually really silent right now. Oh, up a little bit. Up a notch. So it's more interesting. Nice, amazing. Bro just fucking... I don't know why he even joins if he disconnects right away. Whatever. But I think it's actually good. I would feel really bad if I made, if I, you know, left while a new guy joined who actually cared about this. And I'm kinda happy that he actually doesn't give a shit. So I can, you know, leave with peace in mind. Nice, nice, nice. Oh, okay, it actually squished me. Whatever, whatever, whatever. Oh, it actually hit the tank. That's so surprising. Stop the tank, stop the tank. I'm actually dealing the same or more of a damage than a flock. That's an interesting thing. I'm sure that Flock Pyre is getting absolutely demolished. No. Well, that's it for me again. I am ending it early because again, today is not the day I feel like, you know, doing another 4-hour stream, so yeah, sorry about that, guys. I'll stream again. I don't know if tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, but I'll stream again. And until then, I hope you are gonna enjoy everything, and I'm going. Bye bye.